Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update. Whosoever loves you shows you their love in some manner. For example, your teacher shows her love to you by giving you knowledge. Your father, by his efforts, by working hard and providing you with the necessities of life, shows his love towards you. When your classmates and friends play with you, they show their love towards you. Your mother shows her love by doing the housework, cooking, and also by kissing you on the forehead. Your grandparents stroke you gently and tell you stories to let you know that they love you. Whoever loves you shows his love towards you in some manner and has a special sign for that. Now let us see how God shows his love towards you. God has done a lot of things to show his love for you. He blessed you with 2 eyes to let you know that he loves you. God gave you 2 strong hands and blessed you with legs so that you should always remember that he loved you. He has given you ears, hair, eyebrows, lips, mouth, and teeth. He has also created a variety of food for you and others. Aren't these the signs to show you that God loves you? When you look around, you see the signs of love of God, the sun that gives light and heat to the earth, the beautiful moon that lights the sky at night, stars that make the sky look beautiful. All these are signs of His love. Every tree that gives fruit, every herb that turns green, every rain that pours down, and every bud that opens are all signs of God's kindness, friendship, and love. So you should always have hope on Him and know that God loves you.
Allahu Akbar.